a pandemic crisis, I believe crisis never comes alone. It always comes with the opportunities. To capitalize the opportunities which comes along with crisis, we need to avoid 1P and follow 3P. What is that 1P we need to avoid? That is panic. Don't panic. And there are 3Ps we need to follow at this juncture. That is, be patient. Don't get tensed. Don't get stressed out of the situation. Be calm, be patient. So that is the first P you need to follow. The second P is proactive. So you need to be very proactive. So don't be very dull and make use of the situation. Be proactive to take care of the further proceedings. And the third is the productive. So try to do something productive in this period. You got some ideal time for the last 2 months. So try to be, produce something out of that. So
It's super amazing and super cool to see people investing time in themselves, and that's the most beautiful thing they can do. So, what caught my attention was digital marketing. I've started learning a course which is offered by Google. It's a certified course, and if you want to try it out, you can go check it out. So, I'm really enjoying my day learning new skills.
ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ನ ಬೋತ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ. ಟೈಮ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ಗೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್, ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Initially, as we're not able to go out, and how I used to spend my day is just going through my normal assignments given by my college and completing them on time before the deadline, and following my routine. That's we cannot go out for a walk or anywhere else, hence going through Netflix, Amazon Prime, and then spending a little bit of time focusing on my career. How do I go ahead
In
and
this quarantine, instead of wasting the time at home, I started doing my home workouts, and I can suggest you the same thing. So start doing your home workouts to keep yourself strong and fit. Stay safe in home and be far from corona, guys.
Yeah, I've
Thank
been
you.
doing a lot of online courses which really helped me a lot to gain knowledge as well as to develop myself. The best thing that you can do to yourself is to educate yourself. I'm doing it and I hope you also do it. Stay home, stay safe and save life.